Good morning, all of you. Thank you for listening. I'm Yo, and I'm talking with you. So today's I'm talking regarding how I improve my English, and you can also improve your English using these methods. And these methods is very effective methods. So first of all, my name is Yogesh, and I'm from basically Gondia. So basically, I'm a student and uh, I'm sharing my thoughts because I'm also give my 100% full of dedication with English, and now my English is improving, not improve. Okay, because I'm still working on my English, and yeah, one day I will be speak very fluent English, and this is my passion about English. Every day I used to watch news channel. That means any news channel in English. NDTV was there. That is so many BBC News channel is there. So many YouTube channel I watch, and every day I listen podcast, any podcast regarding um, uh, English, regarding how I communicate with people, how to improve my grammar. I used to watch Hindi videos also some because Hindi that means grammatical. So grammar is essential for speaking. So if your grammar is good, then you can make a better sentence. Without grammar, yeah, you can speak, but you have to take lot of time. So I need to suggest you little bit grammar. Any you have to learn basic grammar first. That means how to use was verb, how to is are, am is are, and basically will how to use had have. These things basically useful for speaking in English. So when I was start my journey, so near about the 6 month since 6 month I'm practicing my English, and now my English is improved because of my hard work. I used to watch newspaper every day, and right now I'm also that means that means reading every day newspaper. Basically, you can prefer any newspaper like Hindustan Times, Hitwad, and so many news times of India. This newspaper increase your knowledge uh, what happening in the world, and also improve your vocabs, so many synonyms, so many words, new words in the paragraph whichever you read. That means you read in future, so just note down that paragraph, and um, you know after that you have to memorize daily, because if you read that word and note down your notebook, and after that you will not read that word once in a day, then you forget that word. So I suggest you to read, write down the word, and after that you memorize that word. So they and make a sentence with that word. Suppose the hobbies. Okay, hobbies is a synonym. So you have to make hobbies regarding story, or hobbies regarding one sentence, and you have to practice in your story, your daily routine, and include that word in your daily routine. So these steps make you, think in English, and make you the better speech, and you have after that, if you read continuous, 30 days, you have so many words. Okay, so you have to memorize daily 5 words. That means you have to take 5 words from any newspaper, and after that, you have to memorize that word, not to write down your notebook. After you write down your notebook, sometimes so many people are forget. That means they not read even not since once time also. So I suggest you to memorize daily words, and after that you will be understand that words. Okay, so these things and basically I'm also when I was in beginner stage, I'm also, struggling a lot, and I'm right now I'm also, learning this language and working on my English because the fluency matters. Sometimes the grammatical mis you can make mistakes, okay? You can make mistakes, but you have to speak because mistakes will be help you to improve your English, right? If you not, make mistake and you still criticize yourself, yeah, I'm not a good speaker, I can't speak in English, I can't learn this language. These are the excuses, man. You have to speak first in English, okay, whichever you have thought. If you have a good cooker, then you have to speak about the cooking, how to cook. You have a good listener, then you have to take any topic and listen, talk about that. If you are any hobbies regarding gardening and exercise, any topics you can speak, but you have to speak in English only, okay? And do one thing, you make videos on through your mobile. So record yourself and record yourself every day. Like first day your journey is start, then you have to record that video. Then after that, um, you know, watch that video and take some mistakes from that video and write down that mistakes. And after, make video second day, uh, mm, you have to make mistake. Yeah, obviously you make mistake in beginner level, but you have to improve lot from your first video because you did mistake in first video, so you have to improve in second video. So still you have to speak in English, only English, not Hindi. Even one video you cannot include in Hindi in your conversation. After that you will be automatically improve, man. Okay, don't worry, because I think personally I'm very fascinated about English. And English is a, journey, not a 2 days, 3 months. You can completely know the English. In 3 months, you can speak little bit English, but you can't speak like a native speaker. Okay, so English is a journey. You have to, learning lifetime because just like IT sector, if you going for IT sector, you have to learning lifetime. Just like in English also, English is a language you have to learn vocabs daily in your lifetime because daily new vocabulary is coming, and then how you can say the English is you can speak in English in 30 days. It is not possible, man. It is not possible to speak in English in 30 days. I personally experience these things because I'm learning this language since 6 months, and I improve a lot. I'm still working on my English, and I do not help any tutor. Just I watch uh, I watch YouTube videos and English related any podcast, any news, and anything that content regarding English I watch, and I improve this level. So you can also improve without coaching, and so many people say that without tutor, tutor is a very essential, but you have to, if you have a passion about English, then you did not need any person, right? Yeah, after that, if you want to a good speaker, then you have to take tuition from your tutors. So many application available in Play Stores. You can download from there. Okay, so many free application also available. So Yaari and Clapingo is one of the famous application. You can talk with any stranger tutor, like or any, like if you wanna US if you want to speak like English in US person, you have to take tuition from that person. Okay, you can, after that you will be able to speak in like that. So you have to take patience when you speak in English. So suppose if you are planning to learn this language, then you have to take so many patience, because after 5 3 days, sometimes I am also feeling like that. This is not I can't speak this language. But right now consistency is matter in this language. So if you do consistency in your any work, not English. If you learn anything, if you want to learn anything, then you have to first consistency about yourself, consistency about that task, consistency about that task. Don't procrastination your task. That means uh, today's tasks you will be um going for tomorrow. So this is not a good. This is not a this idea is not working if you not consistency. So many cricketer are speak. They are only pass 9 class, 10 class, and they speak very fluent because of practice, 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 practice. Without practice, nothing is happening in your life. Okay, it is not a it is not a miracle to learn English in 1 day, 2 months. You have to practice daily, and practice, that means you have to consistent about daily. Listen every day 30 minutes podcast, okay, any English related podcast every day. You have to follow this routine every day, just like you get up early in the morning, and after that you take a tea, just like that. You have to take a English related podcast daily. You have to listen English related podcast daily. Otherwise, you forget these things. Okay. So you have to consistent about English. And thank you for listening. And if you like my videos, and if you wanna speak like me, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press bell icon, and please hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye bye.